going to have a look at addition in stage 6. Remember that when you're doing addition in stage 6, you need to look very carefully at the numbers that you're adding together, and you need to choose the best strategy that would work for those numbers. We'll start with place value partitioning. We're going to add our tens together, so we've got 70 plus 40, which equals 110, and now we're going to add our ones. 8 plus 5 is 13, so my answer is 123. In stage 5, you learnt how to jump to a tidy number. We're not going to use number lines in stage 6 because you need to be able to explain how you do it without having to write that down. So we'll start with our 89. If we add on 1 to get to the tidy number of 90, then we're going to add on what's left. We've used 1, so we're going to have 35 more left. The answer is 125. This equation here, 64 plus 39, is slightly different. This is the number here, the 39, that needs to be rounded, not my first number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use round and compensate. I'm going to show you on a number line first so you can have a look and see how it works, and then we'll write it underneath. 64 to start with. Now I'm going to turn that 39 into the tidy number, which is 40. So I'm going to add on 40. 64 and 40 is 104. But I wasn't meant to be taking away 40, it was only 39. So I've got to fix it up, and I'm going to take 1 away and come back, so my answer is 103. What that looks like if you were just writing it down or talking about it to your teacher would be 64 plus 40, which is 104, and then compensate by taking away 1, answer 103. The last strategy for addition, I've written here 38 and 39. If you look at those two numbers, they're just about the same. I'm going to take them both to a rounded number. I'm going to turn them both into 40. This strategy is called doubles. So I'm actually going to go 40 plus 40, which I know is 80. But now I need to fix it up. I had to add 2 onto this number to get to 40, and I had to add 1 onto him to get to 40. So I actually now need to take those 3 away. So it's 80, take away 3. So the answer to that is 77. Turn them both into a double, add them together, and then fix it up by just coming back or adjusting it by how many you put on.